morning. Good morning. How everyone's doing? Can you guys see me and hear me? Morning, morning. Yes, awesome. Okay, so Fridays, I don't really trade, and I don't like trading, especially options, but I'll be here for you guys. Most likely, I'm only gonna trade futures today. Like I said, I don't like trading options on 0DTE. So I don't have a watch list for today, but I'm looking at 512, 511 on SPY. Also a rejection there. That's a level that I'm looking at. And on the Q, 434, 435. Yes. Those are Monday's high. Those are the levels that I'm watching for possible rejections. No, it's way better to trade futures than SPY or QQQ options. But obviously, if you guys trade options, just go for it. So let's see, what's strong today? I think Meta was very strong yesterday. Yeah, Meta is one that I like. My lower back is a little bit better. Still very uncomfortable. Still taking pain medication, but I'm a little bit better. Thank you for asking. Meta, it's very interesting. Kinda held very good yesterday. Kinda bullish. Same thing with Google. And obviously Apple had a big gap up after earnings. What else? Microsoft 402 is a level that I might act as resistance, but I don't love Microsoft's chart to play that one. I think I like the most it's Meta. If you play a YOLO on Apple, yeah, you need to lock those profits right at open, because you need to take advantage of the premium. The premium is gonna be very high at open, then it's gonna start dying down. Okay, I need kind of to figure out with what group I want to trade today with futures. If I want to trade with a 10 account challenge that I'm doing, or my PAs, or I have 5 evals that I want to pass. I think I'm gonna trade with 20 accounts today again. So if I only make $100 per on 20 accounts, that's 2K. That's a kind of goal that I have, making $100 daily on 20 accounts. In a month, that's 40K. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna trade with 20 accounts. How do I trade with 20 accounts? I use the groups on Tradeovate. Pretty easy. Just multiply whatever account eval you want to buy and multiply by 20. Pretty easy math. Yeah, you just make groups. So I'm trading with a group of 20. I just need to buy it. You link the group and then you just buy, and it buys you on all 20 accounts at the same time. And same thing with selling. You just press buy or sell, and that's it. One time. You press buy or sell one time. And that's it. What are you guys watching today? You keep 100% of your profit on each account up to 25K. Later, then is 90-10. Happy Friday. Hey Donnie. I like Meta. Meta looks like it wants to go already. Meta is flagging pre-market. If we check, we see the daily on Meta, it looks like kind of like a flag also. I like that it had earnings, went down, but it's consolidating. I like Meta to the upside. Like we can see, we saw yesterday how strong Meta was. Like the market wasn't really like in the morning the market was pretty much going lower while Meta was holding or going higher. Coin had earnings yesterday, right? So if he had earnings yesterday, I will wait for next week for a clear trend. I like waiting for 1 or 2 days after earnings. I look different today because I'm tired. I went out last night and I barely slept. I got home around 4 in the morning. How about the 20 SMA? I don't use any SMA, so I don't know. Yeah, buena rumba. What do I think about Tesla? Let's see. I don't know. Tesla, let's see. Maybe another 180 reaction, or 185, 184. Give me 1 second, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I needed my coffee. Okay, I got an alert on snow. What's snow doing? Ooh, if snow can hold 160, that could be a good play to the upside. I'm trying to figure it out how to share my music with you guys on Discord. And 402 hold on Microsoft is another one. If the span or the Q, most likely both, go under Monday's high, I'm gonna be looking for a rejection there, because we have a huge gap below on both. Do we have any data coming up, like at 9:45? PMI in 15? Okay, thank you. At 10 a.m? Okay. It's at 9:45 or 10 a.m? Okay, awesome, thanks. I'm watching SPY. I'm looking to play rejections of 5-10. It's already rejecting 1 day high. SPY at least. The Q is holding a support. That level, 1 day high. Look at that candle on Tesla. That was so weird. Microsoft, pretty strong. That 402 hold was beautiful. Okay, so we have Google going lower, Apple too, Tesla, Nvidia kind of also going lower, and we have Microsoft very strong. Ooh, Meta looks pretty good. Kind of want to enter Meta here, but I think I'm gonna wait for the 10 a.m. data. You passed your 100k apex? Awesome, congrats. That's awesome. You had one account or a few? Meta just gave back that move. I'm gonna enter short here on SPY on with micros. 22? What? Oh, okay. I couldn't enter there. Give me 1 second. Because something is wrong with my groups. Okay. You blew off 3 25k accounts? There's no PMI? What? Why isn't people saying that there's no PMI today? Okay, I'm gonna check that out. Congrats if you made any money with swinging Apple, but we all know that's not trading. That's just YOLOing. We don't have PMI today. It's ISM. I don't even know what's that. No, swing trading is not YOLOing. Swing trading on earnings, it is YOLOing. the SPY is tempting me here to go short, but I don't know. It's kind of weird because the Q is at support, the SPY is at resistance. Yeah, exactly. SPY tempting me for short. The Q, well, the Q is not that strong, but it's holding at support and it's holding the VWAP. SPY is kind of a little bit weaker than the Q. It's kind of holding. But yeah, let's just wait. I don't have, like, my levels are like not not just a number. If you see my screen, it's like kind of like a zone. My levels are not just one number. Microsoft is very strong. Around 406 is the next resistance on Microsoft. And the Q tempting me to go long. So we have 20 more minutes for PMI or whatever data it's gonna come up. Yeah, I'm watching Meta also. I really like Meta. I wanna see it breaking 450. It doesn't look like a bull flag to me, Nvidia, and I don't like how it's looking. Like, we're having a lot of trouble holding the VWAP. Kind of had wicks at the top, so it's rejecting. So far, I don't love anything other than the SPY and the Q. Mostly the Q. Apple is looking weak, but it's barely moving. Okay, so Google, it's holding yesterday's high. That's pretty bullish. If we see it really holding there, we could play it to the upside. But yeah, let's be patient and wait for data. Everything has gaps today. Pretty much everything. Google already filled the gap. What else? Meta kind of also already filled the gap. I don't like playing Amazon. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't like that it's kind of choppy. What's Tesla doing? Let's see. It's not doing anything, so I will not trade Tesla. Like, it's not doing anything. And again, 184 184, 185, the level you want to see either rejecting or breaking. And so if you want to play downside, you want to see it rejecting there. If you want to play the upside, you want to see Tesla holding that level, those levels. We'll say 185, 184. Netflix, let's see. Netflix is moving a big range between let's say 545 and 580. You need to break to either side. So right now it's in the middle of nowhere. When you have those range, for me, is a no trading zone. You want to see it break into either side, and then you play the break and retest. So I guess the PMI is out, right? 945 over 10. Ooh, snow is the one. Snow. Holding 160. Do we have bond auctions also today? At what time? Yeah, so far, like, the only thing that I see that is really moving are Microsoft and the Q. Nothing more. Yeah, so I'm watching Snow and Meta and the Q. My main watches are the Q and SPY. I kind of like Snow for a swing if can keep holding 160. %, that's a big move. Why Apple earnings were so good? I never pay attention to earnings. What was it? They say AI or something like that? Or not good? Oh, buyback? Oh yeah. Buybacks. When any company buys back their shares, market love it because it means they really you say believe on what they're doing. Dividend increase also? Okay, that's awesome. Thank you. Why illegal? It's their business. Okay, let's see it. Nvidia 887, 885. Tuesday high. If Nvidia can break Tuesday high, it's gonna boom to 900, 97. I think it's like the market is moving very, very, very slow right now. $110 billion buyback? That's insane. That's insane. Netflix vertical? Kinda. I think you guys need to kinda zoom out and see how it's looking on the bigger time frames. One 5-minute green candle is nothing. Okay, Microsoft is rejecting 506 and Nvidia is also rejecting resistance. I think for me to play the upside on SPY needs to break 512. 512 in the past was a very strong support. And for the Q, 437. Yeah, I'm still holding Tesla shorts from next week. Only a few runners. Look at Meta. Okay, 450. We want to see Meta holding Wednesday high out support. That's the level that I'm looking at on Meta. It's right there right now. Market is slowly moving to the upside. Very slow. You're alone on the queue? Yeah, the queue was kind of tempting me on that hold of the VWAP on the third 5-minute candle, but I didn't want to risk it with data at 9:45 and now at 10. But yeah, but the queue is looking pretty bullish. Same thing with SPY. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead today. $512. $512 is the level that I want to play on SPY. If SPY breaks that level very strongly with data, I'll wait for, that's my plan, I'll wait for a pullback and then I enter loans. Google rejected 170. Google kind of looks like a bear flag on the daily. No, I don't use sticks. I only use what you guys see on my screen, on the stream. I don't use anything. Only my levels and the view up. That's it. Nothing more. No SMAs, EMAs, no bookmap, no scanner, nothing. You don't need all that. Keep it simple. Simple and easy. Just get very good at reading the candlesticks and understanding the trend. Meta good to go? What do you think? What is Meta doing? I already said what level we want to see Meta holding, so we can play the upside, but entering here is risky with data coming up in 5 minutes, so it's up to you. SPY rejecting 512, Nvidia rejecting resistance, same thing with Microsoft 506. And I think the Q, as long as the Q keeps holding that Monday high, it's pretty bullish. I don't know, maybe I'll swing Meta because I want to see it filling the gap above. I mean, right now we're looking very bullish. We don't know what's gonna happen with in like 3 minutes. Okay, if something is moving higher and in the past 3 days being stronger than the market, do you want to short that or you want to follow the trend? Yeah, be a follower. The trend is your friend. Okay, 2 more minutes. And then we're good to go. I kind of want to see a SPY breaking 512. I want to play that upside. $2K, that's awesome. Congrats. I've been trading for 7 years. What do you mean how to identify the trend? We see it there. What is the trend right now? trend is boom boom. Today is a boom boom day. At least so far, that's how it looks. I don't really use the 4 hour, I use the daily. So using the daily on span the queue are a mess. Like trying to identify the trend there right now is a mess. Last month the trend was bearish. Don't you think there's already enough upset? That doesn't matter what I think or you think. We're traders, day traders. That means we don't think, we just see, we just read whatever the message is the market giving you. I don't care it doesn't matter what I think, what the media says, what Powell says. You just look at the levels and trend. What's the message on the charts? Ooh, I like that reaction of 512 on ES. That was a beautiful reaction of 453 on Meta. Watching a SPY 510. If it goes under 510 or if lose the VWAP, I'll be looking to play the downside. And 434 on the Q. Trading 212. I don't know what's that. Whoa. That's a big sell on snow. That was definitely a bear flag on Google on the daily. That sounds too complicated. Megapixels, that sounds like a lot of complication to trade the upside or the downside. Just go with the trend, use your levels, learn how to read the candlesticks, and that's it. Yeah, I think Apple puts could be a good play. My stop loss would be the VWAP. I'm not gonna take it, but I think that's a good one. Apple is looking pretty weak. It's under the VWAP. It's making lower lows and lower highs. I don't know if its data was good or bad. Okay, so this is how I trade. I don't care about data, news, Powell. The only thing that I care is knowing when those type of news are gonna come up. So I know I need to be careful when I'm trading, but I just leave it alone and then just see whatever the market is gonna do based on those news, and then I play that. Like, we don't really need to know if data was bad or good to trade. You just follow whatever the chart is telling you. Google 164.50. That's the level that I want to play for the gap. 164.50. Ooh, beautiful rejection of 185 on Tesla. That's a good entry there. Stop loss that high. Yeah, I like Tesla there. Tesla puts. I'm not gonna take it because I already have Tesla puts. But yeah, you can enter here. Your stop loss will be this 5-minute candle high. And then let's see if Tesla is gonna keep going lower. Ooh, okay. I like that SPY move. Wait for me. Bro, that 5-12 rejection on SPY was perfection. $450 is the level that I want to see Meta holding. Can you be on voice every day? I don't think so. That's Desi's job. I keeps holding 510. Not now. Data is already out. Oh, remember to like the video. Just click like. I kind of like this SPY reaction of VWAP, but I don't know. The Q is holding. $512. Look at daily in the past how $512 was a very strong support. I trade based on daily levels. Okay, I'm gonna enter here short on SPY. I'm gonna go with ES. I like that reaction there. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Google is dead. Yeah, I do teach how I trade. It doesn't matter if it is option or futures, pretty much the same, but yeah, I do teach how I trade on my mentoring program, but right now it's closed. Okay, we're looking pretty good right now. I love that reaction there on SPY. Beautiful. I'm gonna start locking some profits here. Trade-off is very slow. What's going on? Too much FOMO. Come on, keep going lower. Keep rejecting there. Keep rejecting there. Looks like he wants to hold. Let's see. The Q looks pretty good for upside. SPY, not so much. Microsoft is fighting here. That's gonna go against me, but Apple is kind of looking weak. Yeah, I like that SPY keeps rejecting the VWAP. Okay, I like that move. Come on, keep going, SPY. Keep going. Tesla kind of looked like a head and shoulder. That was beautiful 185 reaction on Tesla. I want to see Nvidia losing the VWAP here. My back is killing me. Okay, I like that. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Beautiful. Keep going. That's awesome. Keep going. I'm gonna log a little bit more profits here. Come on, Nvidia, lose the VWAP. I wanna see you dying. Google is so dead. Come on, keep going. Oof, if Nvidia really lose the VWAP, the Q is gonna die. Same thing with SPY. But the Q needs to lose 433. I'm playing the rejection of the VWAP on SPY. And if it keeps under 510, is even more bearish. I want to see Apple reacting here. That's awesome. Enjoy your weekend. I want to see a SPY rejecting 410. I'm sorry, 510. Okay, I like that reaction. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Is it me or the market is very, very slow? Meta is looking pretty good. It's holding the VWAP. And I think Microsoft is gonna go against my trade. Yeah, everything has gaps below. And the Q is holding very good, 439. I'm sorry, 433, 434. Are you still in SPY short? I'm not on SPY. I'm playing ES. But yeah, if it's not breaking my stop loss, I have no reason to get out. Unless I see it like moving very strong to the upside. Like I said a bunch of times what I'm looking on this trade. Hey, welcome, Steve. As long as SPY keeps doing lower highs, I'm holding. Okay. Watch out that Nvidia reaction. Done for the day. Awesome. Enjoy the weekend. Look at Meta. Come on, SPY, go lower. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. What's going on with Google? Not even one green candle. Very, very weak. Okay, I'm gonna sell one more. Only holding 2 runners now. So far, I'm up almost 5K on this play. Looking for 508 now on SPY. Yeah, the Q is holding pretty good. The thing is, like, okay, we have Google and Nvidia bearish, right? We have Meta and Microsoft very bullish, and Apple is doing nothing. Yeah, my trade of it was slow. Yeah, 433 on the Q is holding very, very good. So I only have 2 runners now, and I think as long as SPY keeps making lower lows and lower highs, I'm gonna hold those runners. Hi. I'm not gonna add, but I'll maybe play the Q, because right now I'm playing ES. Come on, keep going. Keep going. And my inputs are called? You have it on the screen. You are on the YouTube chat, so you have it on the screen. You can see my screen when what I'm trading. my P&L, everything. Desi, very weak. Did you shorten? Guys, you see it on the screen. What you see it? You see my play on the screen. This is so slow. Uh, 15 seconds. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Come on, keep going. Keep moving. MES are micros. When you see an M before at the beginning of NQ and ES, that means I'm trading micros, not minis. Watch QQQ 433. It looks like a head and shoulder also. Are we gonna go for the gap? Ooh. That will be amazing if we can catch that entire gap. $508 is a little bit of support. And then it's gonna be $506 for the gap on SPY. And 533 on the Q, and then 531. I'm sorry, 433, and then 431, and then we have the gap. This is a big red engulfing 30-minute candle on SPY. Yeah, SPY is definitely weaker than the Q. The Q keeps holding. The problem that we have here is Microsoft. Microsoft looks like it wants to boom boom. Needs to break 406. Okay, I don't like that candlestick on SPY. Yeah, I don't like that wick. That candle looks very strong. And that's Microsoft. Let's see if SPY is gonna reject the VWAP here. If not, I'm out. Google finally at support. Come on, reject there. Okay, I'm out. What? What's okay. Trader is acting very weird. Anyone is having trouble also with Trader rate? Yeah, it was lagging every time that I did buy or sell. And now I got this weird message here. I like that SPY reaction. It's just lagging. I just made it 2,700. Oh, thank you. I might got fake out there. But the thing is that I don't like how Nvidia is kind of trying to break the VWAP, and Microsoft it's bullish. I traded with 20 accounts. I think I was with 6 micros. Dang it, I got fake out there. Okay, let's see 433 on the queue. No, not working out. I can't. I don't like how the market is so slow. No, I don't. The thing is, like, the queue is holding, but I don't like those candlesticks. It looks weak, even though it's holding. Freaking SPY. We need Apple and Microsoft to go lower. Tesla at 180 again. Anyone got that reaction of 185, 184 on Tesla? That was so perfect. So perfect. Yeah, a bunch of us trade futures. Okay, so why is SPY being so weak? Yeah, those are two trades. Look at that. Dang it, I hate you, SPY. Yeah, it's very like we don't have like a clean morning so far. It's weird. See how how Nvidia is just doing nothing, but it's under the VWAP. Kind of looks like a head and shoulder, but also looks like it really wants to go higher. Yeah, so glad that we already have all news. Well, I think next week also it's packed with important data. I hate that. I want to trade, like, leave me alone. I don't want any news. I don't care about data. I just want to trade. And those things mess up my trades and my plan. So many times I had like a very good plan, good setups, but I can't take it because we have data coming up. Okay, if I see a little bit more consolidation on the queue, I think I'm gonna go long. I like how it's holding 433. I would like to see it breaking the VWAP and holding. Come on, Tessie, keep going lower. Keep going lower. I want that entire gap. Okay, I'm gonna take long call on Meta. Let's see, 455 for next week. My stop loss is gonna be 447. Gap filled? Nope, the gap is not filled on SPY or the Q or Nvidia. What a boring morning. You don't need a gap indicator, you see it on the screen, like on the chart. You can see there's still a big empty space on SPY and the Q. You don't need an indicator for that. Yeah, you're right. Trading it's boring. It should be boring. That means we're patient to wait for good setups. No, I didn't reopen it. I'm holding since Tuesday or Monday. I don't know. Apple kind of waking up, but it's still fighting the VWAP, so that's bearish unless it breaks strongly the VWAP. $450. What's my playlist? Is this? It's called Creators Mix on Spotify. How often you find yourself holding overnight or swing positions? I think that is not a good question, because trading is not about how long do you hold something. Trading is about reading the chart and reacting whatever the chart is doing. So trading, there's no time. Like, I cannot tell you that I'm holding something for 1 day or 1 hour or 5 minutes. That will be me being biased. Okay, I like that move on NQ, on the Q, on QQQ. Now I live in USA. I'm Venezuelan, but I live here in the US. Dang it! I was gonna play long on the Q. Move too fast. I think I missed my entry. Perfect root canal music. Meta boom boom. Nah, it's fine. If I had another pullback on the queue to the VWAP and hold there, I'm gonna enter loans. And we want to see a SPY holding 510 or the VWAP. Microsoft looks like it wants to boom boom, but it's fighting that high. That's a triple top there. Come on, Q, give me the pullback. Yeah, I feel comfortable swinging. The thing is, like, I never swing my whole position. I always take profits, but not always. If we have a move, if I have a move on, like, on my side, I take a lot of profits before swing trading. So I enter a bunch of contracts and then I just sell a little bit on every push. And then I leave runners for swing trading. Unless I enter a trade that I see that is holding but is not doing anything, I will hold my entire position for the next day. You give me a pullback. I think I'm not gonna get that pullback that I want. No, I don't only trade expand the queue. I just took a meta trade. Like, also, you guys see my old trades on here. I'm not posting anything there because I'm doing on voice, but if I wasn't on voice, I'll be posting here on ADR trades. So far we have nothing. Not much happening. It's weird because we already had FOMC, we had Apple, Google, Meta, Microsoft earnings, so why the market is not moving? I'm not looking only on those assets. I have 3 screens. You guys only see half of one screen on my stream. Yeah, slowly but steady is good. Don't rush it. Another ugly reaction of the VWAP on SPY. I don't feel confident on any trade right now. Like, I don't feel that the market is giving me A+ setups. At least not on SPY and the Q for futures. For me to trade futures. No, right now. Like, I'm getting the pullback that I wanted on the Q. I just don't love how Nvidia and Microsoft are rejecting resistance. Who charges you for your trades? Apex? They don't charge me for my trades. You buy a evaluation account, and that's the only chart that you get. Buying the eval, and then when you pass that eval, you pay for the PA, and that's it. Monthly, you pay monthly. So yeah, it looks like the Q is moving on a very tight range. Maybe today's high here, and then we have kinda this low, 433 low. Head and shoulder on weird head and shoulder on Tesla. So far the Tesla daily, it looks very weak, but we want to see a Tesla losing 179. Yes, of course. Come on, do something. Yeah, SPY is very weak. So if we have a pullback on Nvidia or Microsoft or Apple, SPY definitely is gonna go to 508. We have almost 1.5 hours and not much happening here. Yeah, 433 is the level that we want to see the cube breaking. But that it's not gonna happen if Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft keep holding. There's a few rules, Sergio. Go to you have the link above in the chat, and then just go and read the rules. I kind of feel like I want to end these and go back to sleep because the market is doing nothing. Ooh. Wait for 443. This always happen every time we have a very slow, like 1 hour after the market open, very slow PA. I get bored and I close, like I end the stream, and right like a minute after I end the stream, the thing move. And the setup that I was looking to play, it just happened always after I end the stream, when the market moves like this. Yeah, the market makers. They watch my, I don't know, like 1K trade. Ooh. Yeah, you have it there. Chasing cars. Show you the gap. So to be able to see the gaps, you need to turn off the pre and after market. And on my chart, I have on the left, I always look the bigger time frames, and I don't have the extended hours movements. And on the right, I have my 5-minute time frame, and that's where I have the pre-market action that I want. Yeah. Nvidia rejecting again. Nvidia and Microsoft keeps rejecting the same levels. Yeah, I love TradingView. Also, I've been using TradingView for so long that I kind of feel weird if I use another like charts like TOS or any other. I know it's the same thing, but I don't know, I guess I'm kind of used to TradingView. You guys green today or red? Or flat? Flat, yeah. Green, awesome. Awesome. What about it? How about Costco? What about it? Tell me, what about that? I don't get that question. Why always people say, what about this? What about, I don't know, SPY? What about AMD? What about Tesla? I don't know. I don't know what you're asking. When I cover flowers. That's funny. Yeah. Yeah, it's like such an open question. Like, I don't know. What about the moon, the stars? Carvana, yes. I'll go. I haven't tried Carvana in forever. Okay. Well, huge gap, I guess, because of the earnings, right? And kind of difficult to say because it's in the middle of nowhere. But if you want to play long, just wait for a break of today's high, or the hold of today's low. But honestly, I will wait to trade it. If you want to trade Carvana, I will wait for next week, so you can have a little bit more data and you can see where it's really gonna go. So you want to wait a little bit and see what's the clear support or resistance level, where it is right now. Okay, let's see if the Q is finally gonna break here. That's awesome. Congrats. Yeah, if you told me the VWAP it kind of looks bullish, I will not trade Apple today. Again, I like to wait a few days after earnings to clearly to really see what's gonna happen. That might happen in the future. So yeah, I like to wait like 1 or 2 days after earnings. Also, that way premiums are cheaper. Okay, the Q's looking weaker. Getting weaker than SPY. Well, no, it kind of looks the same both. No, there's not so many NQs. You think there are many because those contracts are based on months. There's only one NQ. Yeah, no, another bounce. Should we play this bounce? You're in it? Yeah, kind of looks tempting. Yeah, those are the months. Go with NQM4. Bye, Julio. 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 Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, I'm gonna go long here on NQ micros. Very small position. Because I don't want to give back my profits. Am I long on NQ? Guys, you see it on the screen. Is it important to look SPX, NQ, and ES or SPY and Q? I think SPY and the Q is enough. Yes, I got that question already. Every single day I get that question. People asking me where I'm from. News driven on Tesla? I don't think so. It's just projection of levels. Chammo. Well, it looks like gonna be red here. Let's see. If the Q loses 433, I'm gonna be out of this position and I'm gonna change to shorts. Yeah, I don't like that move. Let's see. The Q needs to hold here. Come on, Q bounce. Come on, Q bounce. Give me the VWAP. Give me a little bounce. SPY is still trying to hold this low here. It's around 508.50. And the Q 433. Come on, keep going. I think it's Apple, the one that is dragging the Q lower. Yeah, it looks weak. It looks weak, but my stop loss is 433. Like, it's today's low. Like, it's a little bit under 433. I want to see like a strong wick there. Yeah, definitely that's how we should trade, right? Waiting for the break and then wait for a retest. But I'm playing a possible bounce here, so I'm playing maybe upside, but I don't think that's gonna happen because Microsoft and Apple are looking pretty weak. But I don't know, the Q keeps holding 433. We'll see. Looking for Tesla long? Why Tesla? It's one of the weakest one. You don't need to scream. So if you have something that is going down, 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 why are you looking for the bottom? Trying to catch the bottom. No reason to play the upside on Tesla. The Q is definitely looking very weak. Yeah, exactly. Tesla is doing exactly the same thing that it did yesterday. Come on, Q bounce. Okay. Keep going, keep going. I want to see the Q bouncing to 434. I think that's where I'm gonna sell. A little bit before 434. Ooh. Yeah, what a boring day. Microsoft holding very good the VWAP, but it needs to hold 406. Stop you out. That's why I don't like having like hard stops. I prefer to wait and see how it's gonna react to my stop loss. Okay, I'm gonna start selling a little bit here. Let's hold 2 only. Have a great weekend, Debbie. See you on Monday. If this 30-minute candle is gonna close like that on SPY and the Q, I think I'm gonna retest morning high, today's high. Especially in the Q, because the Q is holding extremely well. What is the PA account trailing stop? It depends what account you're using. Just go and read the rules. It's very easy. Just go to their website and just read, like, it's like a 5-minute read. Meta looks like it's gonna go lower because it's having trouble at Wednesday high. Microsoft looks like a head and shoulder. Same thing with Nvidia and Apple. Google, beautiful bounce out of 164, 165. And as long as Tesla keeps rejecting 180, I think it's very bearish. What type of question is that? J trades. I mean, your username is J trades. You should know the answer to that. I want to see the Q holding here. And on the 30-minute candles, so far, right now looks bullish. Same thing with SPY. But I like more the Q because the Q clearly held 433. No, not Adriana. My name is Andrea. Okay. I'm selling one more here, holding only one runner. This is a very small trade, but I like it. Now we want to see a SPY breaking 510. That's gonna be today's test. 510. And also the VWAP is right there. So if SPY can break 510 and the VWAP, I think it's gonna try to retest 512 again. Okay, if you want to change your firm account to LLC, I don't think you can do that. What I did was I made a new account on Apex for my LLC, and that you can do. Like basically, I have two Apex accounts, one personal and the other one is under a LLC. Okay, this hold is looking pretty good so far. But I want to see continuation. So this is the link where you can read and research everything about Apex. So Apex is pretty much where you buy. It's a prop firm, right? And Tradeovate is the broker that I use. You can use Ninja or Rhythmic. Thank you for being here. See you on Monday. Okay, this is getting so boring. I don't know what's the name. Montana. That's the name of this one. Guys, just go and read. It's so easy. Do your little research. Come on, Q. Break that VWAP. Go. Okay, we're looking pretty good so far. I like this move. I like that hold. 433. See? That's how we trust our levels. I think the customer service is very good. I never had any problem with them, and they always answer very fast. So we know when we have a choppy chart when we see the VWAP right in the middle. Like look at NQ, or I'm sorry, QQQ. So if you look at the 5-minute time frame on QQQ, you see we have obviously a very tight range, but look how the VWAP is right in the middle. That means it has no trend. You think QQQ will hold the VWAP? I don't know. Trading is not about playing on a guess. It's just waiting and seeing how it's gonna react there. I like that 30-minute candle on both the SPY and the Q. Now I want to see this 30-minute candle holding the previous one as support. If reject that high, it means we're gonna go back down to 433. Come on, push it. Boom boom for me. Come on. Keep going. Go. Keep going. If I see another a rejection here on the Q, that it goes back under the VWAP, I'm getting out and done. Okay, that looks beautiful. Keep going. So we gotta be careful here with SPY, 510, and the VWAP. Okay. Awesome. Beautiful. Keep going. Keep going. I'm out. Looks... What's going on? Okay, looks pretty good. Looks very bullish, but I'm fine with this. With what I have. That is 5,400. Yeah, we need to, like, SPY is using like kind of like the morning low as resistance. It needs to break that. We had a perfect 433 entry. Damn, look at that move. $435, a possible QQQ resistance. Let's see how it's gonna react there. For a SPY, we wanna see it holding in here, but it is right now. Anybody play that 150 reaction on AMD? That was perfect. I'm happy that I didn't took no, right. Forget it about it. No, AMD is looking pretty choppy, so I would not trade something like that. We have no direction. I will not take AMD calls if it keeps rejecting 150. Yeah, I don't see any confirmation that AMD is a good swim to the upside. Exactly, you do you, exactly. You're right. Okay, so how do you play gaps? You want to see it first getting inside the gap, and then you want to see it pulling back and showing that gap, like the beginning of the gap is support or resistance. It depends if you're looking for gaps above or below. You don't play gaps like way before the gap without showing you any real indication that it's gonna go for the gap fill. Like it's not even near the gap. It's almost $4 below the gap. This is why I don't trade Fridays. Fridays are like that. Alright. Exactly. Friday. That's funny. Again, why do you want to loan something that is weaker than the market? Like, it could definitely bounce here. If you're looking for a scalp, you want to see it holding 180. But I don't know. I will not take Tessie to the upside. I think it's because I don't like scalping with options. I trade options when I see a possible big move coming. Yeah, I do think SPY and the Q could go for high of today's high, especially the Q. But the Q is having trouble at 435. Okay, it's 11:40. I'm gonna be here like 20 more minutes and then I'm out. I think I posted on my Discord videos where I explained that, how to trade gaps. Oh no, that's only for people on my mentoring program. I have a bunch of streams where I play gaps and I talk about how I trade them. They don't look the same at all. SPY and the Q. Okay, why I was playing the upside on the Q? Because the Q, it's been holding the entire day 433. I was just going for a little bounce there, while SPY kept making lower lows and lower highs until right now. I think this hold on SPY is very bullish. If keeps holding the VWAP. And on the 30-minute time frame, it's making higher highs and higher lows. The Q is holding very, like, I think today the Q is holding very good because of Microsoft and Apple. Because Apple and Microsoft are looking stronger than Nvidia right now. I don't like my Meta 154 rejection. I want to see Meta holding 454, 455 as support. Give me 1 second, I have a phone call. Can you pass your evals on the weekends? Do you know what's the hours that futures are open? Larry? That's funny. I'm holding Meta. Buy is kind of tempting me for a loan, but I want to see Microsoft holding morning high for that. How many counts have I got? A bunch. No, the stop loss doesn't change based on swings. Stop loss are always the same because are levels. So I don't look my P&L, I don't look my percentage, I only look levels. So yeah, of course, if futures open on Sunday and you trade and pass your eval, that's passing the eval on the weekend. Okay guys, this is too choppy, nothing happening, so I'm gonna go. I had pretty good 2 trades with futures, one with meta, which I right now don't feel so confident because I don't like how it's rejecting 454, but it's a swing that I think for next week, I think I'm gonna keep my stop loss, let's see, two days low. So let's see. Yeah, the thing is, like, I can see meta going to 441 and still is bullish. But okay, I'm gonna keep it at 447. So if it hits 447, I'm selling, and then I'll be looking to enter again on Monday. Oh yeah, this is too boring. We're watching like paint dry. Nothing is happening. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you on Monday.